I'm in agriculture because I love it and grew up in it. We raise grain crops, we grow pigs, and we run a feed mill. It's a family business, so I've taken a lot of pride in doing my part on the family farm. It goes a long way back when my grandfather had pigs, like a lot of people did back in the day, and actually went out of them in the 80s, but come mid-90s decided to get back into pigs in a larger scale. So there was some experience in the family for pigs, and so that was the choice we made to diversify our grain farm a little bit, and here we are today. So we originally were at 1,200 sow farrow to finish. Everything was under one roof. And then in the mid-2000s, around 2005, 2006, we decided to increase our sow herd. And it was at that time we shipped our piglets down to the US to finish. It never really fit our model of, obviously growing grain, feeding the pigs, so we wanted to move those back to Saskatchewan. So we did that in about 2008 or 2009. And started finishing everything on site here. Well, in the barns, it's always a busy day, and each day is very similar to each other, but the staff will always be there between 6:30 and 7 in the morning and start out with feeding the mother sows and taking care of the piglets. And it's just generally care of the animals, and then obviously cleaning, disinfecting as we move out rooms and shipping, and so it's a bit repetitive, but every day it's a lot of care of the animals. The food safety starts at the farm level, and the employees are a big part of making sure documentation, following all the guidelines that are set out by the programs that we follow. So that's a big part of their job, actually, is making sure that's done. It's quite gratifying to see the whole production cycle, growing the pigs, just seeing the different characteristics that you see on an animal, and then also providing food for the world, really. It's fun, it's a great job. We employ a lot of people that really love what they do, so it's a rewarding industry. Raising animals, everybody takes a lot of pride in it, the staff, the owners, the family.
It's definitely very interesting. We started when we were young, coming to the barn, playing with the pigs, just kind of goofing around more like. But as we grew older, we definitely learned lots from our family. Considering it's a big operation, we have tons of people around us helping us learn, and it's lots of fun and very interesting going through the motions, I guess.
Looking after the pigs and the animals is definitely high priority, and we love doing that. But the other part is being part of the community, being able to give back to the community and provide employment for a lot of people that end up being part of our community, which makes it grow. So that's a very big reason why we do what we do.